Now, let's be real. Lots of us get breakouts, and we don't need to be weird about it. That felt weird. I made it weird.
We don't need to be.
Hi, I'm Drake. I'm a skincare education expert at Sephora. I actually started our stores in 2015. Now at our corporate offices, I work to create skincare education trainings for our stores, and I work with our brands on their skincare education strategies. Also, I deal with acne. Acne is one of the most common skincare conditions. It impacts 85% of people between the ages of 12 and 24. And while it's most common in adolescence, it can definitely continue later in life. For me personally, my acne was the most intense in my teens and 20s, but even in my 30s, I still have breakouts popping up here and there as well. When dealing with acne, it's really important to consider what can you control and what can't you control. Some things like hormones and genetics are a little harder to impact. But when we think about skincare, what can we impact? Well, dead skin that builds up, oil that congests pores, or bacteria on skin as well. So when I first started treating my breakouts, I went full force at it. I was using scrubs, cleansers, toners, masks, anything and everything I thought could help with my breakouts. But what I saw was my skin became more red, more oily, more flaky, and I had more breakouts. And that's because I was disrupting my skin barrier. That skin barrier is such an important part of your skin's natural defense to fight against the invaders that contribute to breakouts as well. And luckily, we have some products that can help you with that while you fight your breakouts. This Innbeauty Acne Medicated Serum is a fantastic option to address breakouts while supporting your barrier. That's because it has salicylic acid to help clarify, a barrier-supporting complex to keep that skin nice and defended, and you can even help address the discoloration left behind by blemishes with tranexamic acid in the formula as well. Talk about a triple threat. So let's talk about 3 of the most popular ingredients for treating acne. Salicylic acid, you can kind of think of that like your degreaser. It helps to cut through all the buildup on your skin so you can easily rinse it away. There's also benzoyl peroxide. This is almost like your all-purpose cleaner and helps create a sanitary surface on the skin. And lastly, we have sulfur. Sulfur is kind of like your vacuum. It just goes around and it starts to suck up all that dirt, oil, grime, and dead skin that congests the skin, so it's left looking clean and clear. But today, we're gonna be focusing on products that have salicylic acid. Now, these Peace Out Acne Healing Dots are one of my addictions. They have a patented medicated hydrocolloid technology in it. What makes that hydrocolloid so cool is it pulls all the gunk and oil out of the breakout while infusing it with 0.5% salicylic acid, retinol, and aloe. In fact, one of the most gratifying parts for me is when you take it off at the end and you get to see all the gunk get pulled out of your skin. It's a little mortifying and gratifying at the same time, and it's one of my favorite moments. These are truly perfect when you have a raised, angry blemish you want fast overnight, or if you just want to keep yourself from picking at blemishes as well. Kiehl's Truly Targeted Acne Serum is a really fun formula. It uses a liquid patch technology to create a shield over the breakout that infuses it with salicylic acid and some brightening and soothing ingredients as well, while protecting it from all the outside harm. One of the things I really love about this liquid formula is you can apply it to as large or as small of an area as you're trying to treat, and because it creates an ultra-thin, ultra-flexible shield, it is fantastic under makeup. I'm actually wearing it in a couple spots today. I don't think you can really tell. Honestly, my knockout combo, these at night, this in the morning, and I am good to go. Now, post-blemish marks can be just as frustrating, if not more frustrating than the breakout themselves. And that's why Topicals created this serum. It has a special blend of ingredients, including tranexamic acid and azelaic acid, that help to brighten the appearance of discoloration while also helping you to maintain clear skin. And did you know that medium to deep skin tones are especially prone to hyperpigmentation after a breakout? That's why this formula has proven efficacy on deep skin tones while working on all skin tones and types. Now let's be real, lots of people get breakouts, and there's a lot of different ways to treat them. So I encourage you to find your perfect acne solution at Sephora.